Veetee Mega presents Mega Meals Diwali Special with Monisha Bharadwaj.
We call it pulao in India, but where this dish originated in the Middle East, it's known by various names such as pilaf. My mixed pepper and sweet corn pilaf is inspired by Persian flavors. I'm going to start this dish by infusing the flavor of the spices in the oil. I'm also adding a nice dollop of butter for extra richness. I'll add star anise, some crushed black cardamom and cumin seeds. When the spices start to sizzle, I'll add the onions. The onions have softened nicely now with some mixed peppers and some sweet corn. Stir this for a few minutes and then dip in the rice. Season with salt. Pour in double the amount of water by volume to the rice. Bring it all up to a boil and cook the rice for 10 to 12 minutes until it's done. The rice is now done. I'm going to add some lovely citrusy notes to this with orange zest. Let's fold that in. And then garnish this rice with a touch of coriander. And that's the mixed pepper and sweet corn pilaf. There's so much you can do with a big bag of good basmati rice. So be inspired. Make a new dish every day.